Hey you guys, I'm actually Jason's making us some lunch, so I'll show you guys that. Full day of eating, so I'll see you guys when my lunch is complete. Okay you guys, this is my lunch. It looks like a toddler's lunch, but I just have one chicken patty. I have 1.5 ounces of fries. We just kind of were using what we have because we need to go grocery shopping. Just used up the little bit of fries we had, and then I cut up a cucumber, and it's only 10 points. Super good. Was yours good? And then I'm gonna use the chicken dipping sauce, a tablespoon, which is 3 points, and then a little ketchup for 0. And I might use some of this ranch cucumber, but I'm not gonna count it because I'm just gonna use it a tiny bit. Sprite, and I filled up my water, ice water. So this is my lunch. Hey you guys, it's a little bit later now, and I'm finally gonna have some coffee. I'm just kind of hanging out today and just relaxing. My stomach is really upset. I had Chipotle last night, and then the day before I had sushi for lunch with my parents, which wasn't that bad, and then I had Chipotle. But like for whatever reason lately, Chipotle has been really messing up my stomach, and I don't know, hot sauce probably. I even got cheese, but I don't know what it was. I decided to just have some coffee for a little snack, so I didn't have any this morning. But I was super excited because you guys know I do Scentsy, and it's just basically like warmers, wax, like we have so much stuff for your home. But anyways, the fall scents came out. You guys, I know it's still summer and people probably are like, really? But it's so exciting because you can get them now, and then they're starting to ship out sooner now, so then you'll get yours by September, October, and you can just start burning them right away. You don't have to wait for the shipping, blah blah blah. This one is my favorite so far. It's the Autumn Road Trip. So you know, September 1st I'm probably gonna start burning this. I mean Sleigh All Day is a winter one. Let me smell this one again, I can't remember, but like pine wood winter. So that one's pretty good too. Breakfast in Bed. This one reminds me of like a warm cinnamon. It's just really good. It's not like that really powerful cinnamon. It's the like really warm, subtle cinnamons. Best in Snow. I'm not trying to show you guys Christmas ones already, but they just sent them because I hit my goals or whatever. The Best in Snow. Oh, this one's so good. It does remind me of Man in a way, like a men's scent, but it's just so good. Almond Croissant. This one would be great for fall, like warm baked buttery honey glazed croissant, like oh yum. I just get really excited. Like I just love Scentsy. Like I've just recently found it like this year, so I'm just obsessed. Apple and oats, oatmeal with like apple brown sugar oatmeal, just for you, FIR, just for you. This one, oh gosh, this one is so good. For some reason this reminds me of like a bubble bath. I don't know why, it just reminds me of like Bath and Body Works scent. I like to take bubble baths, and I put the Bath and Body Works like soap in the bathtub for my bubbles, and this reminds me of scent from there. Oh, it's just so good. Like pine woody, but if you've ever smelled a pine wood tree, but like fresh. Love this one, Dancing Sugar Plums. Whew, this one is so good. It's still cinnamony kinda, so great for fall if you like that. It's not really like heavy cinnamon. Cloudy Dreams. Not a huge fan of that one. I don't know, it's weird. I'll put the description up. Cloudberry, not cloudy. Cloudberry. It does smell like berries now, so I'm not too sure about this one, but so far this one. And I'm not a fan of the campfire, but a lot of my friends love the campfire one we had for summer, and I didn't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. These 10, I only didn't like 2. So, and I'm really sensitive to smell. Like if it's too strong, I won't burn it. Like I just am very picky. So just so you guys know, I'm not like, these are all great and I didn't like some. I literally will tell you. So yeah, so my number 1 fave is probably the Autumn Road Trip, just for you, Sugar Plum, and then for Christmas I would say Best in Snow and Sleigh All Day. I don't know, they're all good. I like them all, you guys. So sorry for that little ramble if you're not into it, but I will be sending out samples and stuff to my clients. I can't wait. I'm just so excited that I won this, basically won it, whatever, I don't know. I'm just very grateful for Scentsy, because right now times are tough, and if I didn't have Scentsy, I don't know what I would have did. So I'm just very grateful for this company. So anyways, you guys, as always, my link is down below if you want to look at the Scentsy stuff, but never feel obligated. I just love sharing with you guys things that I personally love and hope that you would love. That's why I only share things I love. I don't share, if I don't like it, I don't like it, and I will never steer you guys wrong. So out of these 10, I only didn't like 2. So, and I'm really sensitive to smell. Like if it's too strong, I won't burn it. Like I just am very picky. So just so you guys know, I'm not like, these are all great and I didn't like some. I literally will tell you. So my number 1 fave is probably the Autumn Road Trip, Just For You, Sugar Plum, and then for Christmas, I would say Best in Snow and Sleigh All Day. I don't know, they're all good. I like them all, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna have brats for dinner. We didn't end up going grocery shopping yet, so I'm just gonna make those. I'm gonna make 2, maybe 3, I don't know. I'm gonna have 1 though for 9 points. Corn is 0, and then I'm probably gonna make a side salad. So this is gonna be dinner for tonight, and then once it's done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, you guys, and here's my dinner. So I ended up just pan frying up the brat, and I boiled the corn, and then I decided to pair this with a side salad. I used light honey mustard dressing, 1/8 of a cup of cheese, and I just put some tomato on top, and this was so good, you guys. I actually dipped the brat in ketchup as well. Hey you guys, so I'm gonna make a really good dessert. So Jason and I just ate dinner a little bit ago, and I want something sweet. So here I have these Mission Carb tortillas. They're really good. They're 2 points for 1. I don't remember the brand, but there is one that's only 1 point. I just can never find it anymore, and I don't really like I'll throw them up on the screen. I forget the name of them right now, but I don't really like those ones. And then just some peanut butter. Any peanut butter works. I really like this one. And then some just Jet Puff or whatever marshmallow fluff. And then if you can find these are bomb. These are the Lily's semi-sweet bacon chips. You can have like 1,100,000 of them for only a couple points. Not really, but you know. And then just butter. And then all I do is I'll show you how much I use. I think a tablespoon of this, tablespoon of that, and then just a sprinkle of these. So I'll measure everything out and put the points up on the screen at the end, and then I'm gonna show you how I make it. Making one for me and Jay. as usual, I totally forgot to film an outro, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that my What I Eat in a Days can inspire you and give you some food inspiration. If you want to subscribe, I'd love to have you guys stick around. And on that note, I will see you guys in the next one.